In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate shapes or images in Word 365. Let's start with the basics. Go ahead and open your Word document and make sure you're on the page where you want to work. You can use this technique on any shape, picture, icon, or object that you've inserted into your document. The idea is to create fast, consistent copies without having to reinsert or redraw anything. First, click once on the shape or image you want to duplicate. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles or circles around it. This selection is important because whatever is selected is what Word will copy when we perform the duplication. Now, the quickest way to duplicate is by using a simple keyboard and mouse combination. After selecting your shape or picture, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, click and drag the object to a new location on the page. As you drag, you'll see a copy moving with your mouse. When you release the mouse button, then release the Control key, you'll have a new duplicate of your original object. The original stays in place, and the new one appears wherever you dropped it. You can repeat this as many times as you like. Select the object, hold Control, click and drag, then release. This is especially helpful when you're creating diagrams, flowcharts, or layouts where you need multiple identical shapes or images lined up across the page. If you prefer using the keyboard only, there's another option. Select your shape or image, then press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Each time you press Ctrl+V, Word will create another duplicate, usually slightly offset from the last one, so you can see the stack of copies. You can then drag each one into the exact position you want. To keep everything neat, use Word's alignment tools. After duplicating several shapes or images, hold down Shift and click each one to select multiple objects. Then go to the Shape Format or Picture Format tab at the top. Choose Align and select options like Align Left, Align Center, or Distribute horizontally to space them evenly. That's all there is to it. By combining simple selection, Control drag, and copy paste, you can quickly duplicate shapes or images in Word 365 and keep your documents looking clean and professional.